Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to change the Google Message notification tone or Google Message notification sound on your device. By default, set the Google Message notification sound on your device. To change this default message notification sound on your Pixel 10 series, open the app drawer on your device. Tap on the Messages application on your device. Tap on a profile icon at the top right corner. Now tap on the message settings. Here you can find the notification option. Tap on it at the top. Now tap on a behavior, sound and more option. So tap on it. Now you can quickly show the all message notification setting on your device. Make sure to toggle on this option. In sometimes if you disable it, you can't see the any option on your device. So make sure to toggle on the all message notification. After that, tap on the default settings at the top. Now here you can see the incoming messages option. Tap on it. Now here you can find the sound option, default notification sound. Tap on it. Here you can see the list of different available sound collection in your Pixel 10 or any other Pixel device. Select the default category like this and select the notification sound you want to set on your text message or Google Messages application on your device. If you want to set a custom notification tone or custom notification sound as a Google Messages, tap on My Sounds. Tap on a plus icon at the bottom right corner. Now select the any notification sound or notification tone from your device. Like we select this option and it will add to my message sound list. Just select it on your device. Like here we select this option and you can see the save button. So select the option and tap on a save at the top right corner to change the Google Message notification sound on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL and other Pixel devices running the latest Android 16 version. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.